Real quick, I want to give you 3 credit card strategies that you probably never considered. And one of them is my favorite, but another one is a very close second due to the fact that I know it can work if a person commits to it. And if you want a breakdown of it, I'll do another video where I'm able to share my screen, etc. But number 1, start a side business. A lot of times people shy away from starting a business because they just think about only getting income from a job. Now, that is changing drastically. A lot of people are open to making money online, but initially people used to didn't be that way. But starting an online business allows you to do a couple of things, and this is why it's a key strategy. Number 1, you can really start an online business of some way, shape, form, fashion with no money. Even if that means that you're getting products that other people are purchasing or other people have created, and you're doing a digital product that you're just able to kind of white label, so to speak. You can sell it on the behalf of people, and then you can generate income that way. If you have a knowledge or expertise, you can package that up in a way that allows you to sell that as soon as possible. And sometimes that can cost no money if you leverage tools like PayPal and things of that nature, and you just package your knowledge, put it in a video form to where they can download it, etc. But that extra stream of income allows you to create more money. That more money can go towards your credit card. But here's what a lot of people don't think about when it comes to starting a business: the tax deductions that come with it. When you have tax deductions, now when you do certain things, it becomes tax deductible. So depending on the business that you start, then the things you're going to do anyway, and this is what I mean when I say no money, sometimes it's things you're already spending money on anyway that become tax deductible. You're going to pay your phone bill anyway. You're going to pay your internet bill anyway. You're going to drive and put miles on your vehicle anyway. You're going to travel in some way, shape, form, fashion probably anyway. Now, what if you found a way to make those activities tax deductible because it was a part of you growing your business? Say you wanted to become a content creator. You might not be making money right away, but you have some products and things that people can click on that allows them to purchase, but you're building your content up at the same time. Now the things that you're doing becomes tax deductible. So a lot of people sleep on the tax deduction side of starting an online business or business in general, and they wind up leaving money on the table. That way, if you have tax deductions, it also offsets your tax liability from your primary source of income. So for example, if you have a job and you're making $50,000, you had a side business, you made $5,000, well, that might allow you to get $10,000 plus in tax deductions, depending on your ability to understand what could be tax deductible, your record keeping, and you having a good tax professional that allows you to use the tax code to minimize your tax liability, meaning the amount that you are likely to owe goes down because they teach you how to legally minimize your tax liability because you have tax deductions, and that can help you increase your tax refund when it's time to file year after year after year. If you need access to some experts, there should be a link below. That's number 1. I know I got long-winded, but a lot of people don't think about the layers that come from starting a business and how it can be a true saving grace and a solution to hitting financial goals. Not saying walk away from your job, not saying everybody is meant to be an entrepreneur, but just having a side project / business that allows you to do everything that I mentioned. Number 2, taking all of your primary source of income and dumping it on your credit card. Now, this varies because not all the time is everything able to be paid by a credit card. This is what I mean. So say you got paid $3,000 from your job. You dump the whole $3,000 on there as soon as you get it. Sight unseen. Now all of your bills will get paid by your credit card because now you got a $3,000 allotment that you can spend from. But sometimes they don't allow you to pay your mortgage or something like that with a credit card. But most other things can be paid with a credit card. Why is that important? Well, if you pay it off $3,000 on your credit card, and let's say your expenses ran up to $2,500, well, your $2,500 in expenses still put it so that you had $500 paid down on your credit card. So it was a win-win because you still made some progress even though you chopped at it. If you do that every single check, you'll find out that you may end up paying more down on your credit card, and you look up and your credit card is paid off because you used that strategy and you wasn't using your credit card more than what your cost of expenses were. That's the key in that. So rewind that. Let me know if you need a video breakdown that explains what I just said, because that could be a powerful strategy, and this is without you having any additional cash flow, just you living below whatever your monthly paycheck is. That's pretty much what that amounts to. Last but certainly not least, If you work a job, many people don't realize that they can get a pay raise at their job without asking their boss. We teach people how to properly correct the W-4. For many people, they're able to bring in an extra $200 to $800 per month. If that's you and you're able to bring in an extra $200 to $800 plus per month, because some it's over $1,000, then guess what? That extra money can go towards you paying down your credit card. So now it's not like you had to budget or make adjustments. Those are things that you would typically think about. But you were able to say, you know what? I'm overpaying in taxes. Let me get that extra take-home pay. So now your paycheck went up a few $100s a month. You dump it on the credit card. So now you're getting the extra, let's just say $500 a month, $6,000 for the year. That $6,000 went towards paying that credit card down or off. So those are three. Rewind and play it back as much as you need to. But those three strategies are that you might not have thought about in terms of getting rid of your credit card debt. Let me know if you need elaboration on any others. Stay tuned. Tap in. Mr. Smith signing out. Salute.